everybody, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Marthala Carrick, and on my channel we budget, we garden, and we do makeup, all while trying to live our best lives. So if you're new here, don't forget to like and subscribe before we get started. I usually forget to say these things. So guys, how are you getting on? Grab a cup of tea now while we do this and have a little chillax while we cash stuff some money. I'm on the water tonight, and I'm doing this one at night time because I fly off to Ireland in the morning and I need to have this all done beforehand so that everybody here at home can continue out my budget and actually use the money that I stuff. So today's budget is 250 Smackerinos, and as usual we're taking out, hold on a second, how typical is it when you're trying to do something this late at night that the kids decide it's the best time of the day to start shouting and roaring? Of course. So today our budget is 250 as always. I have written it out like this now for the last couple of weeks, and this is what I'm doing. I'm kind of writing them out in advance. So we have 300 one side and 250 the other, and we're just trying to make as much of that work for us as possible. So let's get a go on this because I need to mosey. Right, so 50 quid is for food because that's needed as always. Okay. 50 quid is going to be for childcare, but I don't actually have that one right now, so we're going to put the 40 into council tax because we have that one. I need to actually pay that. I can't exactly remember when the bill comes in, but I know it's soon. And 40 is going on water. They will love me because they've actually been ringing me looking for it, and I'm like, so we need to get that done. 20 is going to Argos. Where are we now? 20 is going on fuel. I need to break that down with a tenner. I always forget to get tenners. 20 is going on fuel, and 25 is going on music, which is just sports really. Now I need to find some change. I should have done that before I actually started, but you know what, brains were scarce the day I was getting them. Right, let me see, what have I got in here? Oh, we've got lots of fivers. Oh, that's great. There's always one week, you know, when you have loads of fivers. So 10, 20, 25, 30. Okay, put that to one side. Now 10 is 40. So what have we got there? 10, 20, 30, 40. Put that back in here. Put this over here. 10, 20, 30, 35, 40. Perfect. Right, said Fred and his Gary Ben. Right, where am I now? We did that one and we did this one. So we're putting 50 in here. Right, that's the childcare done for another week. Childcare, the fuel got done. Music needs 25. 10, 20 and 5. It says sports, but it's actually music this week because, well, that's what it is. I need to change that. And for the actual sinking funds, we're just going to put a fiver into birthdays because we seem to be getting a fair few of them lately. So let's just do that. Okay, where's the birthday one? Oh, we're now putting a fiver into birthdays. Oh, it's not into birthdays, it's into Christmas. How much have I saved for the Christmas? A tenner. Well, to be fair, it's a bit away, but we'll need to start moseying on that one as well. Now let's do the penny saving challenge. Right, change up the angle there now a wee bit. Right, so penny saving challenge. Here we go. We have to have a full one. Oh, Jesus, look at all that. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Oh, Jesus, look at this now. Oh, we're away with it. 13 quid. Oh, Lord bless us. You'd be looking for that on a good day and you wouldn't have it. Right. 13, 50, 60, 70, 75, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 94. So let's do a 194. Let's get rid of that. $194 is done. where did I go and put that? 20, 30, 35, 40, 50, 60, 62, 64, 66, 68, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74. Is it 74 or 94? What am I doing? Oh Jesus, do you ever get nights like that where you literally can't even count? That's where I'm at. Right, let's do that again. So 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 82, 84, 86, 88, 90, 91, 92, 93, 94. And we're going to take these two 50p's. No, we're not going to take the 50p's, I'll just take an actual pound coin. And that is the £1.94. Okay, that's that done. Now, because there is a lot of single coins here, so, and this thing only goes up to £1.98, I think what I might do is I might leave all this until for next week. I mean, it is going to get stuffed eventually, but because some of these are like £1.05 and £1.06 and £1 and that, I might just leave them, because I can guarantee you when I have to try and fill up these, I won't actually have enough pound coins to do it. I mean, they'll still be saved eventually, it just means they're not going to be counted this week. And if I need them during the week, well, sure, I have them handy. But I think that's the best way, because I only have a £1.50 and that's already marked out, so we might just leave it and let it go until next week. Yeah. Oh, we have a pound. Hold on now. Hold on. I might be able to get rid of that one. So I have a pound. I can do that one. Oh. Yep. Okay, so we did one there. Not great, but you're not too bad either. Right, and the 150 is definitely gone. Yeah. But sure, look, we can keep them all until next week. It's all grand. It's all going into the same pot. Guys, don't forget to like and subscribe and do all the YouTubey things. And don't forget to watch, keep an eye out for Makeup Monday, Cash Stuff on Sunday, and Vlog on Friday. As I will be back doing my vlogs as of next Friday, because I'm going to Ireland. So you guys are all coming with me if that's what you choose to watch. So guys, just want to say a huge thank you to each and every one of you for liking and subscribing and keeping this channel going, because I know I do be here, there and everywhere, working full time. Having 3 kids and trying to run a household is bloody hard, and if any of us are out there are doing it too, you know what, we're all in this together, and we're all in this shit show, as I just say, together. So you're not alone, we're all in it. I shall talk to you next week. Don't forget to keep your budgeting and keep on track. Even if it's hard, try and keep it on track as much as you can, and I shall talk to you next week. Have a great one. I'll tell you all about me get up in Ireland when I get there, and yeah, talk to you real soon. Thanks a million. Bye. Mwah.